In the heart of Acorn Grove, where trees danced in the breeze and the air smelled sweet like pine cones, lived a little squirrel named Sammy. Sammy had shiny brown fur, twitchy whiskers, and the fluffiest tail you ever saw. But more than anything, Sammy loved acorns. No, Sammy was obsessed with acorns. While other animals played games or helped each other gather food, Sammy spent all day collecting acorns, even ones he didn't need. "I must have more," Sammy would shout, stuffing acorns into every nook and cranny of his treehouse. One sunny morning, Sammy scampered down his tree with a spark in his eyes. "There's a new patch of oak trees beyond the river," he squeaked. "That means more acorns, and they'll all be mine." He darted past Tina the Tortoise, who was slowly stacking mushrooms into a little basket. "Where are you off to in such a rush?" Tina asked kindly. "No time. Gotta get those acorns before anyone else," Sammy huffed, racing by. He didn't notice Tina's puzzled frown. Then he zipped past Benny the Beaver, who was fixing a dam. "Hey Sammy, want to help me carry some wood?" Benny called. "Sorry, too busy acorn hunting," Sammy called back, not even slowing down. Finally, he reached the oak grove. "Jackpot," he cried, leaping into piles of fresh, crunchy acorns. He stuffed his cheeks, backpack, and even a few old socks he'd found nearby. But as he prepared to leave, the wind blew in hard. Whoosh! Crack! A branch broke and Sammy tumbled down the tree, right into the river. "Help!" he squeaked, splashing as his heavy backpack pulled him down. Back in the forest, Tina the Tortoise heard his cry. "That's Sammy," she gasped. She quickly alerted Benny, and the two rushed to the riverbank. Without a second thought, Benny dove in. His strong tail paddled swiftly, and with Tina's help pulling a vine, they dragged Sammy to safety. Sammy coughed and blinked, dripping wet and clutching his soggy acorn-filled backpack. "You saved me," he whispered. "We're friends, Sammy," said Benny. "We help each other." Sammy looked down at his pile of acorns, now floating away. His eyes welled up. "I was so greedy," he said softly. "I only thought about me." Tina patted his paw. "It's okay, Sammy. What matters is what you do next." From that day on, Sammy was different. He still loved acorns, but now he shared them. He helped Benny fix his dam, brought Tina mushrooms on chilly mornings, and even organized a forest feast with enough treats for everyone. At the feast, he stood up on a little rock and cleared his throat. "I used to think having more meant being happier," he said. "But now I know, sharing what you have brings the greatest joy." The animals cheered, and from that moment, Sammy the greedy squirrel became known as Sammy the Generous. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.